Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So let us start our analysis with the day view, and you can see over here I have been showing you this for a couple of days or multiple of times. This is the fib retracement I have drawn and kept as it is on the day view time frame for the spot chart. Okay, and you can see when Bank Nifty took a bull rally, when we saw this particular rally, uh, it traveled from this particular point, this swing low to this particular high. So how to draw the fib retracement? You can take this tool from here, place the first point at this particular point and drag it to the top. Okay, so in this manner you can draw this fib retracement tool. And uh, I was 101% sure that at least Bank Nifty would test this level 0.236 when it was here somewhere, because it is not possible, or market does not move in a straight line in upward direction. It has to retrace. So from a day point of view, we saw this level breaking day after tomorrow on 20th Jan. And uh, when this level was formed, or this doji candle was formed, I was still sure that at least it would touch 0.32 levels. So what happened today? We saw a huge downfall or overall selling, a huge selling, and market has touched the level of zero point 0.5. Okay, so whenever we see a big downfall or a big upward movement, at least in my observation or to my knowledge, whenever the retracement takes place, it takes up to zero point 0.5 levels. So this is what on a day time frame we have seen Bank Nifty taking touching the zero point 0.5 level, taking the support. Okay, in a bull movement, when it retraces, it is taking the support at this particular place. So what we can analyze from this particular chart is, tomorrow there may be a small continuation of a downfall, or considering this big wick at the bottom, we can see the bulls are back, or this is the support zone where bulls may be trying to form its next level of support, or what we can say the foundation for the upper rally. Okay, so this is the crucial or critical level. You can clearly see this 36,400, 400 to 500, a range of 100 points from next point of view, from next upward rally. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing, so what I think is, if you look at this particular candle, a similar kind of candle would be formed over here at this particular place, maybe a red as well, or maybe green as well. The market can open at the bottom and try to what we can say move in the upward direction. So it doesn't matter whether it is a red or green, but I think a similar kind of candle may be formed at this particular place. Market may take a pause and then rally. This was the one thing. So second thing, from my learning point of view, I have shown you that this I have marked these few lines: green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay, so I'm doing my some analysis based on this particular point. The green line would form a top. This I have drawn when market was trading at this particular point. So exactly at this point, market has made a good top considering this particular low. So what we saw, now market is trading over here, and we have the green line drawn at first Feb. So what I'm thinking, on the first Feb, still we have 4 days of trading, right? 25, 27, 28, and 31st. So for the first date, market would form a top considering this bottom. I'm considering this bottom. So tomorrow's day is most important day. If this level is broken, then we may see further downfall. If zero point 0.5 level is broken, we may see further downfall. But to the extent what I think, tomorrow may be the last downfall, or maybe a U-turn as well. This is one point. Okay. And most important point for retail traders, guys, 26th we have a holiday, and next day is the expiry day. Do not at any condition carry forward your positions. Okay, even if you are 100% sure short or whatever thing, if you want to carry forward, do not trade for this particular week, because considering the holiday, the option premium would die to a greater extent. So even if the market opens 100 to 150 points in other way, you in opposite to your direction, your premium might have decayed a lot. So for the safety, try to trade next week expiry. Otherwise, one more week alternate expiry. Okay, so that you would be in safe. This is thing. Now let us move on to intraday levels and analysis. Before that, let me show you one more thing. As we follow the Dow Jones, okay, this is a Dow Jones chart, and this is a 1 hour time frame. Even you can see. Okay, let me show you day view analysis as well. Okay, just look at this thing. Even after make breaking the, what we can say, all-time high, look at these candles, almost 7 candles back to back. So how much of selling has been done over there as well, you can clearly understand. And looking at this particular day's candle, 25th, you can clearly see. Let me turn on to the 1 hour time frame. You can see the initial selling and then buying. So similar thing we may or we can see at our end as well. Okay, so it's almost down by 756 points. 756 points. It has recovered a lot, almost 100 points. When I was doing this analysis, it was more than 850 points. So let us do the analysis of Bank Nifty from intraday levels. So at the bottom we have a good support of 36,000 and a strong support of 36,500. So strong support compared to this round figure level. This 500 level is stronger than this. At the top, we have a strong resistance 37,000, which is a round figure compared to 500. So this would be a more stronger. At the moment, it look this level looks stronger because of the OI data. But if there is a gap down opening, then 37,000 would be the more stronger level we can see tomorrow. I have marked this zone as a strong resistance zone as well. 37,200 to 400, we have a resistance zone. And this is the support zone that is being forming between 36,400 to 500. I have marked the no trade zone between 36,635 to 835. Do not enter into the trade if market opens into this particular zone. Let it show it move, then trade. Basically, strategy would be same. If market opens gap up, sell on rise. Okay, and buy on dip only on confirmation or strong bullish candle. Okay, so this is how you need to trade. And one more thing, regarding learning point of view, I have drawn another fib retracement on this particular chart. So this is 15 minutes time frame Bank Nifty spot chart. Okay, so I have drawn from this particular point from where the market has started its downtrend. So place the first point at this particular point and drag till the bottom. So exactly you can see this is the 50 level, 0.5%. How this level is acting as a resistance when a retracement is when retracement take place. Okay, so this is what I have mentioned over here. And one more thing to consider, whenever you see such these two candles together, whenever their base the closing of this candle and the opening of this candle, such levels are considered as a very strong, in this case, support zone. And over here there is only slight difference, and this is a very strong resistance zone. So market may go into sideways into this particular zone, considering one more day for expiry, and after a big downfall market may go into the sideways if at least first half it sustains above 36,500. Otherwise, if this level is broken, then we may see 36,000 level as well. Let me show you particular thing over here. So I hope you are able to see this content. So you can see a strong call writing has been taking place, and I'm very sorry, I'm just not feeling well because of the cough. And whatever we saw, a quick rally from what level was it? From 36,500. We can, or we can even see mm, those who were long, we can see those who have shorted the puts, they have covered their positions. And just look at this particular level. Okay, 37,000 level, we have 37,000 OI data, and out of which 15,000 level, 15,000 contracts have been reduced. Just see this figure, these are in minus. Okay, and this is the last support area, 36,500. Below this also we cannot see a strong support. But in this case, if you look at this particular zone change in OI, if you go above 37,000 level, then at 200 levels we have 17,000, 21, 12, and at 37,000 we have a 38,000 contract added today on top of this with the existing 50,000 level. Okay, so this is what we have for Banknifty tomorrow. So I hope you are getting the benefits, and I'm very sorry that because of the office or my sometimes health issue or traveling to hometown or any other issue, I'm not able to post the issue. But try to take the trades based on the learnings from my videos or any YouTuber video that you get. One more thing I just forgot. So this is the same chart that I have converted with the price action indicator that is there with me, and on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see after the big downfall, market has tries to bounce back or reversed, forming the higher low, and this is the exact level from where market has taken the resistance around 37,000. So for the upward movement, for the bullish movement, at least this high should be broken. Okay, for a big movement. So maybe tomorrow or next month as well, next month's first week's expiry, unless this is not broken and market is sustained above this particular level of 5 minutes candle, do not go long. Try to take the trade on short side by what we can say, buying put or selling a call option. So I hope guys you like my analysis. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and please hit the like button. Thank you.